Kiharo-ini kia injinia kaunti-ini ya Nyandarua aikari metiritie heho na mbura iria irokire kuoya mweke uyu wa urigitani utari marihi niguo mathondekwo mirimu itiganite. First Lady Margaret Kenyatta hamwe na utongoria wa kaunti ya Nyandarua nio matongoririe mihango ino hindi ya kurugurio kwa itena ria kana ria mubango uyu wa Beyond Zero Medical Safari. Hamwe na motungata maria maheanetwo igongona-ini riri ni kwandikithio gwa ciana iria iri na mawathe niguo magunike kumana na uteithio uria uheanagwo ni thirikari.
We need to work together to ensure our children are protected and given opportunity to live in dignity and not be discriminated against.
Oho aikari ni mathomithitio horo wigie mirire miega niguo makahota gwitiria kumana na mirimu iria yumanaga na mikarire miuru.
Let us be proactive and embrace healthy, active lifestyles. This way we will help keep cancer, diabetes and high blood pressure at bay.
Ministry ya ugima wa mwiri ni yuritie kugia na unyitaniri na makaunti niguo hamwe mahote kurua na mirimu iria iragumira muingi.
Unless we do strategies together, unless we do joint planning where the priorities lie today in terms of our disease burden, it will be a futile exercise.
We can achieve so much if we continue to join hands and work together. We are able to offer free services because of the partnerships we see here.
Ugima wa mwiri wa atumia na ciana nini ni umwe wa maundu maria First Lady akoretwo agitindikiriria na thibitari-ini ya engineer. First Lady arugurie ruhonge rwa gutungatira atumia iria iri na muigana wa mariri 64. Kambi ino ya urigitani utari marihi iguthie na mbere kwa ihinda ria thiku 3 kiharo-ini kia engineer. Ngirifotra Inoro TV, jitagwo Gathoni Wajihia.